If your AMD Adrenalin software is not opening, do this step by step. First, open your Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Open it, then click the Details tab. Look for radionsoftware.exe. Once you find it, right click and choose End Process Tree. Next, open your search bar again and type percent local app data percent, then hit enter. Find the AMD folder, open it, look for the CM folder, and delete it. After that, go back to your search bar and type Device Manager, open it, expand, go to Display Adapters, right click your AMD graphics card, select Update Driver, then click Search Automatically. Once that's done, just restart your PC. After the restart, open AMD Adrenalin again, and it should launch normally now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.